Now, some of you may notice that when I got this about a few days ago, that BBC Radio 4 will switch off its longwave service on the 27th of June 2026. It has now been confirmed, and they will broadcast daily on air reminders to help everyone switch to other ways of listening. It's just like I've mentioned on the previous video that the longwave broadcast equipment has reached the end of its life, and I saw the same thing as on the previous video that basically I saw the information, and it's been further updated that BBC Radio 4 is going to switch off its longwave service on the 27th of June 2026, just before 1 o'clock in the morning. So everybody is going to have like late night coffees or something like that, because they would get extra tired if they ever stayed up. But yeah, it's sad to see it go, but longwave is such a very old technology of broadcasting, and as I mentioned in the previous video, that in recent years that longwave went into like decline, with the majority now opting for FM, DAB, streaming services and smart speakers like BBC Sounds and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you a clip from the Midnight News, which was published about the 12th of May. So I'll click play to give you the clip of the news report about the longwave frequency closing down that month.
Who both died in the past 6 months, Joanna Trollope and Sophie Kinsella, were also commemorated.
The final programmes on Radio 4's longwave frequency will be broadcast at the end of the month. The corporation stopped transmitting separate programmes on the medium 2 years ago, following advice from the company that owns and operates the platform that the technology was coming to the end of its life. Radio 4 Longwave will close down for the final time just before 1 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, the 27th of June.
Yeah, so basically that gives an idea that BBC Radio 4 is going to switch off its longwave service just before 1 in the morning on the 27th of June 2026, which is literally like the end of the month. So basically, the reason is that the longwave transmission equipment has come to the end of its life, and I do say that for most of you may know that my granddad used to listen to BBC Radio 4 on longwave for test match special crickets and stuff like that. Big Michael, my granddad used to listen to sorry, excuse me. My granddad used to listen to the test match special cricket matches, which were broadcast on the Radio 4 longwave frequency from 1994 to 2023. So my granddad, Big Michael, used to listen to my late Big Michael used to listen to some of the long wave frequency of the test match cricket, especially in my days when we were on holiday in France. And so yeah, basically, yeah, that's just giving you an idea of when Radio 4 long wave frequency is going to close down on the 27th of June. So yeah. And basically, you just have to listen to BBC Radio 4 on the smart speakers and FM, DAB and stuff like that. So yeah, that should cover it.